here you see I have all my different socks laid out from heaviness all the way out to the very heaviest, warmest pair I have. And these ones, they're like Fox River or something River, are available at TSC. And I've already had them in videos. They are the thickest, warmest socks I've found. They're very expensive. They're like $12 a pair. But that is what I wear when the temperatures are freezing temps lower. Then we have a Norwegian high sock, which I wear, you know, around the 30 degrees. Then another high sock, which is warmer temps, 40s. And then these are kind of immediate or intermediate socks. And they go heavy, you know, medium, then to this Cabela sock, which I consider, you know, 50s to 60s. And then these are just not even very good socks. You can see how floppy they are. They're some kind of rag wool, but that's like 60-degree temps. And then there's these ones called Smart Wool that someone sent us recently in a package. And I thought, wow, they look like a summer sock. They are thin and everything. They say Smart Wool on them. And when she saw them, she immediately recognized them and said, oh no, these are good technology. So I did a trial. I did a trial with those socks. I wore them in very cold weather. I think it was 20 something yesterday, 19. And I wore them with tennis shoes. And my feet did end up getting colder because I also had on a not as heavy duty legging, which I was also testing. But in general, even with just a tennis shoe on, those socks kept my feet pretty warm. I mean, definitely warmer than a cotton sock of any variety. I wouldn't say they were as warm as these, you know, the thicker socks that I have, but they definitely would get you from, I would say from, you know, 40 degrees down to 20 if you had to spend a lot of time outside. And definitely if you wore them with something like a boot, you know, or a walking shoe, not a tennis shoe, but like a heavier duty, even ankle high hiking boot or something like that, all the way up to a Danner boot. These socks would work. And don't let their thin, here, let me grab them for you again. Don't let their thin appearance fool you as far as their performance. I wouldn't say they're as good as my thickest sock, but they're definitely as good as this sock, and this thing's very thick. I don't know what they put in it to make it smart, but I think it worked. All right, I hope that helps, and thank you. Bless you. Shalom.